This just brings to a conclusion one chapter of what is going on.
One chapter may be closed, but the grief felt by Gabby Petito's family remains as immeasurable as ever.
Their beautiful daughter was taken from them. Not only that, they were denied the right to face the person who murdered their daughter.
That person was Brian Laundrie, Gabby's boyfriend, who investigators say admitted in a notebook to killing her during their cross-country trip in 2021. Weeks later, Laundrie took his own life in Myakkahatchee Creek Park near his parents' home in Sarasota County. Gabby's parents filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Laundrie's estate. The two sides recently agreed to a $3 million settlement. Petito family attorney Patrick Riley tells us that's an arbitrary amount, far greater than what Laundrie's estate would likely include, but it allows Gabby's family to move forward.
There's no amount of money that could compensate them for the loss of their daughter. And whatever monies they do receive will go to the Gabby Petito Foundation.
But this settlement does not impact a second lawsuit filed by Gabby's parents, accusing the Laundries of intentional infliction of emotional distress. They say Brian's parents weren't forthcoming with investigators and released public statements contrary to what they knew. Tampa attorney Anthony Rickman, who's not involved in this case but has followed it closely, explained how that lawsuit is different.
A proactive step, releasing to the press through their attorney that they hoped Gabby will be returned safely, knowing that she was already killed by their son. That's what creates the cause of action in that case.
The Laundries deny those allegations. In response to the settlement announced Thursday, their attorney told Fox 13, quote, "Hopefully this brings some closure to this one chapter of this tragedy, and I look forward to working with Pat Riley to resolve the litigation pending against Chris and Roberta." For now, Riley says Gabby's parents are focused on helping others through the charity they named after her to help victims of domestic violence and assist in missing persons cases like hers.
They'd like to make that turn that tragedy, if they can, in some form into something good. They don't want anyone to have to go through what Gabby went through when the signs are there.
Yeah, and Gabby's family also filed a $50 million lawsuit earlier this month against the Moab Police Department in Utah. They accuse officers there of negligence when they responded to a domestic violence call involving Gabby and Brian days before she was killed. That lawsuit, Cynthia, will also proceed.
And we'll be watching as it goes through.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Aaron.